Hello students, so I am ready with your chemistry class. Last year in class 8th, you were having only one teacher for whole science, but this year you will be having three teachers for teaching science. One will be teaching chemistry, second biology, and third physics. So myself Mridulata Singh, I am starting with chemistry first chapter. When you go through your science book, whenever you purchase that science book, in the science book, first four chapters are of chemistry. So we are starting with first chapter, and the name of the chapter is Matter in Our Surroundings. Matter in our surroundings. No problem students if you are not having book. I usually don't use the book to teach you in the class also. So don't worry if you are not having book with you. Go through the notes which I will be giving you and note down everything in your fair copy. Because whatever I am teaching you, I will give you the same in the exam also. So we are starting with the chapter students. As the name of the chapter is having a word matter. So first of all, we should know what is the meaning of matter. Matter, meaning students, anything which has mass and occupy space is called matter. Anything which has mass and occupy space is called matter. That you have done in class 7th also. I am telling you students, if you observe around you, everything, whatever you are observing is matter, because that particular thing is having some mass in it and definitely it will occupy some space. Like if I am talking about pen, pencil, chair, tree, fan, table, anything, your copy, whatever you are observing in the universe, that all is matter. Why we are calling that as matter? Because it is occupying space and has mass. Here I will tell you the difference between matter and non-matter. Suppose if I am saying thought, thought is not a matter. Thought is coming inside you. आप कुछ सोच रहे हैं, हमें नहीं पता कि कितने किलो का सोच रहे हैं आप. That's why thought is not a matter. It is a feeling. Like love. Love is also a feeling. Your parents loves you, but you are not knowing that what mass that love is having. So love is a feeling. It is not a matter. So I think now it is clear that to which things we are calling matter. Matter, anything which has mass and occupy space. Is it clear, students? Now I am taking, students, that according to ancient philosophers who stated that matter is made up of 5 constituents, and they called that 5 constituents as Panchtattva. Panchtattva, which is air, sky, water, and fire and earth. These are 5 things. Hava, आसमान आकाश, पानी, अग्नि और पृथ्वी. ये 5 पंचतत्व कहलाते थे. According to ancient philosophers, matter is made up of Panchtattva. But in the modern time, scientists believe that matter is made up of tiny particles, and scientists call the tiny particles as atom. The tiny particles by which matter is made up of are called atoms. What is this atom now? Atom is the smallest particle of matter which may or may not exist freely. Again, I am repeating atom, as I am telling you that smallest particle of matter. Modern scientists name that particle as atom. So what is this atom? Atom is the smallest particle of matter which may or may not exist freely. I think you are knowing some elements like oxygen, like nitrogen, like chlorine, like hydrogen, nitrogen. So these all are the atoms. And if you know, students, that oxygen which we are having in our atmosphere do not exist as O, formula of oxygen around us is O2. So this atom is not existing freely. Only some atoms, I think you are knowing these elements also, like helium, neon, argon. These elements only exist as atomic form. So, due to these elements, we are introducing a word that atom may or may not exist freely. So, usually atoms do not exist freely. Only helium, neon, argon. In higher classes, you will take krypton, xenon also, but you are not aware of now. So I am telling you only three: helium, neon, and argon. These exist in atomic form. So again, what is atom? Atom is the smallest particle of matter which may or may not exist freely. Okay, students? One similar word to atom is molecule. So what is the difference between atom and molecule? Molecule is group of atoms which can exist freely, which have free existence. Again, molecule, group of atoms which exist freely is called molecule. Like if I am taking two atoms of oxygen together, O2, this is a molecule, group of atom having free existence. H2, H and H combining together to give H2. Nitrogen, N and N combining together to give nitrogen gas. Similarly, Cl2 and many other are there. So these are called molecules. So now I think it is clear in your mind that what is the difference between atom and molecule. So students, today just I have introduced this chapter to you. If you are getting it by this method, please let me know on this number only. Thank you.